there, welcome to my channel Ali's Yummy Food. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious moist chocolate cake which has double fudge inside and chocolate meringue cookies inside and on top and around. This triple chocolate cake is the perfect cake for Valentine's Day. It's so romantic, it's so chocolatey, so whoever you're making this for will not leave unsatisfied and going to give you a lot of hugs and kisses, I'm sure. So I really want to share this awesome recipe with you. I'm a massive fan of chocolate, so this is just up my street. It's super easy recipe, guys, and I will also put all the links how to make chocolate meringue cookies in the description box, so you can click on that video and check it out as well. And guys, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get to my target. Let's reach 100,000 subscribers, and also make sure you click the notification bell and enjoy this Valentine's Day special. Let's get started.
In a bowl, add your eggs, then add your sugar and milk, and then add vanilla extract and your oil. And then I'm going to sift the flour and cocoa powder and bicarb soda, salt, and all the other dry ingredients inside. I like to do it straight away into my giant bowl so we don't waste any more time and there's less washing up to do. So just sift everything in there. Use your spoon if you need to. And then I'm attaching my whisk and I'm going to mix everything together until there are no lumps. So you can start slowly and then a bit faster until the chocolate mixture comes together. Then I'm adding some hot water and mixing everything again. And you will see it will be quite liquid. And this is how we want this batter to be. So don't be afraid that it's too liquid. It's exactly right. Next, spray your tins with some cooking oil or use butter and add your parchment paper. I'm using 2 exact same tins, and then just pour your chocolate mixture inside. If you want to measure them, you can. They should be roughly the same size. We are going to bake them for about 25 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Guys and girls, you can find the full recipe on my website at alisyummyfood.com, and there's plenty of other recipes as well as this chocolate cake one. So just scroll down and pick the picture you like, click on it, and you'll get the full video with instructions and recipe translated into English and Russian languages. Next, we're gonna make our chocolate ganache. So add your dark chocolate into a bowl with your double cream. I'm always using 70% because it makes it nice and chocolatey. And then slowly mix it all together. I've used the microwave to melt it, but you can also do this over the double boiler, so it's completely up to you. Once our cakes are done, we want to take them out and leave them to cool down completely. So just gently loosen them up from the sides and take out your cakes onto the baking tray to cool down completely. You can also take the parchment paper off or leave it till later. So I would leave them for about 20 to 30 minutes to cool down completely, or you can put them into the fridge or outside, depends how cold it is. Next, we're going to decorate our cake. So place your first layer on top and then add your chocolate ganache. Don't worry if your cake broke. I was just not very careful taking it out. We're going to cover it all in chocolate ganache. So use some extra on the sides and in the middle. Next, take your chocolate meringue cookies, put them into a Ziploc bag and crush them with a rolling pin. And then I actually had to use my hands and crush them even more because they're very gooey and chewy and so delicious. You can watch my recipe on how to make these as well. Oh, just look at these. Then I'm going to add my crushed chocolate meringue cookies right in the middle. And you want to spread them around, make sure they stuck to the chocolate ganache before placing the second half of your chocolate cake. And of course, we're going to decorate with more chocolate ganache on top. So just add it on and spread it around. Just like that. I actually covered the entire cake, but you can make it naked, whatever you like. So I had to make a bit more chocolate ganache, but I'll post the full recipe in the description link. Then to finally decorate it, add some chocolate meringue cookies all around the cake for a funky decoration, some more crushed meringue on top. And yeah, so here we go, delicious chocolate meringue double chocolate cake, which is very, very moist, very crunchy in the middle, and super delicious. I hope you enjoyed, guys. Don't forget to give me thumbs up, comment, and check all the other recipes that I have. Thank you for watching.